I'll see you later. I'm gonna come back and do a video. Quiet it up a little. So, what do you think?
Yeah, it looks good.
I think we can get away with it.
Oh, okay.
Again, it's the worst they can do is close it down, you know.
Yeah, okay.
And he's rather, you know, he's taking the responsibility of legality of it all.
Oh, okay.
But if I'll make some flyers up and then I'll get them in, get them passed around.
Yeah.
And probably in about 2 or 3 Saturdays we'll do it.
Okay, that sounds good. Oh, they blacktop all this.
Yeah, this is all new.
Yeah, they do that every once in a while.
This was one of those Jeep Rubicon pickup trucks. $70,000.
Wow.
Are you crazy? I'm just gonna go up here and turn around, come back.
Oh, okay.
I want to see what's going on over here at this pancake house, because this is where they had all the press last night.
Oh, okay. Our town gets popular for one reason or another.
Yeah. She wants to go.
Yeah.
She wants to run. She's been cooped up too long.
Yeah.
The drag races was supposed to be this weekend.
Oh, they canceled those?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I don't know how they pull that one off.
The bad thing about when they redo these streets is they screw up the sensors for the lights.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Oh, look at that place. It's friggin' packed.
Wow.
Wow.
So what they're doing right now that they get in trouble with?
Well, they were trying to, but they can't do nothing.
Oh, okay.
Wow. Wake him up. Car wash is open. I don't know how these dealers stay in business. I mean, I know very few people that go to car lots and buy cars anymore.
Yeah. You mean just the fact of the virus? You're wondering why they can stay in business?
Probably.
Yeah.
People think I'm doing that with my toe. They think I'm doing this.
Yeah, I know that's because of the blower. I just don't understand
What's happening is it's building pressure and the engine's is acting as a valve.
Oh, okay.
That's all it is. It's building pressure, the engine's letting it out.
Oh, all right.
Okay, and it's just the way that it builds the pressure up the firing order. Here's the air conditioning right here.
Yeah.
Oh, these streets are all screwed up. You ever seen the movie American Graffiti?
Yeah, I think so.
There's all the actors in it, right there.
Oh, okay. They signed this.
They
one?
signed this. Everybody except Ron Howard.
All right. That's pretty cool. Boy, no end to power.
And this is Dom Perdone right here.
Oh, okay. Wow.
They all sat in the car to sign it.
So, do you have power brakes in here?
No.
Oh, I got to hold it on your
Armstrong brakes, just like the Armstrong's. I got power steering. Oh, these guys wanting to make noise today.
Oh, he's got a wooden Indian out front. I
Yeah.
can see that.
White 57 Chevy. Well, you saw the video where we were racing right here.
Yeah.
That was funny. Now he says he wasn't really stepping on it, he says. But it doesn't have power brakes, but I have disc brakes,
Oh, okay.
which weren't available in 57.
Uh-huh.
Fernando, where you going? Where you going, Fernando?
Did you ever get the virus fixed in your computer?
Yeah. Yeah, I actually had to completely wipe it out and start over again.
Oh, okay. Well, that's awesome.
Yeah, because what happens is people steal my sites. you know, and they try and get into my account numbers.
Oh, okay.
Because I don't have bank accounts online. I mean, I have access to them, but I don't use my computer for that. Because that's how they get you.
Wow.
And you don't even know it, Jim. That's just how sneaky they are.
So they just try and guess at your account number?
Yes. Once they, what they do is they send you an email, and they make it sound like it's important that you open the email. The second you open it, they're in.
Oh, all right. Yeah, I'm real careful with that.
Yeah. And it came in through a third party, meaning one of my friends got it and they didn't know about it.
Oh, okay.
And they sent me an email and it was attached to that email. Yeah, it just pisses me off that there are people like that in the world that spend all their time doing this.
Yeah, right.
I mean, how low can you go? And 9 times out of 10, they're in Pakistan or India,
Yeah.
and you have no way to get it. You know, no recourse to wring their neck.
Yeah, I got somebody from India in mind, and then there was still a problem with the computer. And I said, well, why don't you just erase the whole thing and put a new one in? They did that, and then it was gone.
Yeah. That's the only way sometimes. Just completely wipe it out.
Yeah.
But luckily, I back up my files every day, so those are all the important stuff.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what the deal is with this house. You know the story on it?
Which one?
This house on the corner?
No, I haven't heard anything.
The guy who died, he willed that off to the Hells Angels
Oh, really?
to piss off the neighbor who they hated.
Oh, boy.
So the Hells Angels got it, and everybody around here was getting all upset about it. And to come to find out, the Hells Angels were better neighbors than anybody else.
Oh, yeah?
They had, in order to keep the house, they had to have 2 meetings there, so they did. And then they were very quiet about it.
Oh, okay.
No one knew about it. Okay,
Well, thanks, Randy. That was great.
now you got it.
Really enjoyed that one.
Okay, buddy, I'll talk to you in a little while. See you later. And that was a great day. Had some fun. Peace and out. Everybody stay healthy.